The device is able to read its own voltage in a certain point. Q1 reads 8.91 volts. Q2 reads 4.43 volts. Q3 reads 1.55 volts. And Q4 reads 1.32 volts. This is project 1.1 of voltage division keypad voltmeter. It is based off this circuit diagram with this 9-volt battery right here. The key 1, key 2, key 3, key 4. And there's R1, which is a 4.7k ohm fixed resistor, R2, which is a 1k ohm fixed resistor, and R3, which is a 1k ohm fixed resistor. As you can see here, this is the DMEM test point, as you can see right here. And so when you press button 1, right here, you see the voltmeter goes to approximately 9 volts, as you can see on this sheet with all my calculations. So key 1 pressed, 9 volts. Key 2 pressed, it should be about 4.5 volts. You can see right here, 4.5. Press right here. I'll press key 3, 1.62 volts. Pressing it, 1.62 volts. And then right here, key 4 pressed, 1.35 volts. Pressing 1.38 volts. This is the device or the voltage division keypad voltmeter. And so it is similar to the prototype as it follows the same circuit diagram, with key 1 being here, key 2 being here, key 3 being here, and key 4 being here. And then R1, R2, and R3. And this is the DMEM test point where the DMEM is plugged into. And so, as you can see, similar to before with calculations, when key 1 is pressed, it should be 9 volts. And right here, this is also the reading for the voltage. And so, the device reads 8.93, DMEM reads 8.99. When key 2 pressed, it should be 4.5 volts. 4.45 from device, 4.47 from DMEM. Then when key 3 is pressed, it should be 1.62 volts. 1.55 and 1.55. And then finally from key 4 should be 1.35 volts. 1.32, 1.32. The keypad is on a white 3D printed case, as you can see here. It is the battery goes into the Schroeder power jack, which has 2 wires soldered on the inside, going to this power terminal here. And this LED screen has 3 wires going to this display 3 terminal.